Good morning, YouTube. Today we're making one of my favorites. We are roasting cabbage, and we're gonna top it off with a little Parmesan and some pine nuts. This one's great. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, so I'm seriously obsessed with roasting vegetables at the moment. I have been for a while. Just obsessed with most food. All the time, no matter what. But I came back from France and we ate a lot of cabbage over there. I mean, just cabbage everywhere. And so I'm trying to recreate some of the dishes that we had over there. And I've done pretty well, actually. Alrighty, so this is about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just giving it a quick brush over our cabbage. Drizzle, I guess, but you're not going to get quite the same coverage. Now, this is half of a head of cabbage, and I'll pick the camera up and show you in just a second. But I cut straight down through the middle, and then I trimmed off the core, and then I sliced it. I was thinking about cauliflower steaks, you know? Have y'all seen those? And how to make those work. And anyway, that's how we arrived at the cabbage being this shape. All right, so kosher salt. Got a good teaspoon and teaspoon and a half. And I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, okay? When you're roasting, you're wanting to get high enough heat to caramelize all the natural sugars in these vegetables. Okay. See? Like steaks. Okay. And then just some pepper. I'm out of fresh peppercorn, so I'm just using this stuff. Alright, so we're going in the oven for 20 minutes, and then as soon as 20 minutes hit, I'm just going to take a look, right? And might go a little bit longer, I don't know. The first batch went about 25 minutes. That's all we're doing. There we go. Okay, 20 minutes in, and cabbage, whoa, smells good. And it looks perfect. See, 20 minutes. All right, so here's our next step. We are going to put the oven on broil, okay? We're going to do a couple things at this point. I have about 4 ounces, or about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and I'm going right over the top of our cabbage with it. Now, if you have good Parmesan, knock yourself out. I don't. We don't even have a good cheesemonger in town. For us to get great cheese, which I love to do, it's an hour away. So we rarely have super expensive cheeses, even though I am absolutely wild about them. So this is just plain old cheap Parmesan out of the shaker. Use what you have, use what you like, it's your food. I'm giving you permission to do whatever you feel like you need to do for yourself. All right, so there we go. 4 ounces right over the top. And then half a cup of pine nuts. And again, right over the top. You can use cashews if you want. That would be pretty good. I just happened to, I saw the idea for pine nuts when I was poking around online looking at recipes, and I thought, that's what I want to do. Alrighty guys, we're going right under the broiler for this for just a minute. We're going to melt our cheese and toast our nuts a little bit, and I'll be back and show you what that looks like. Can we say golden brown and delicious? See? How perfect is that? Pretty perfect. Love it. That took less than 5 minutes. It's just not long at all. Alright, so here we go. Yep, that's perfect. I just like looking at them too. I love when food turns out to be beautiful and delicious and different. I had so many wonderful things over there. And I have absolutely been trying to redo every single thing I had because, wow, what an experience, right? All right, guys. Oh man, that is out of this world. The cabbage is bright and fresh, and the garlic is perfect. And little hints of cheese. And those pine nuts. Yep. You want to do this one. You just do.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.